Hello, and welcome to the Deeper Network. In this video, we will show you how to open a support ticket, so please navigate to Support.Deeper.Network. On this page, you will see helpful articles and frequently asked questions, but for our purposes, let's click on Submit a Request. Enter your preferred email address, which we will respond back to you on. For the subject, enter a brief issue name. For instance, I'm having an issue with tunnels, so I will write tunnels. As you can see, there is some additional helpful information below, but let's proceed to the next step. For the description, please be short and concise with the issue to better expedite the process. For the tab, What is your issue related to? Check any box that may have some link to your issue. For tunnels, I'm not sure if it's hardware or software, so I will check both boxes. If you have an order number, input that in order number. For Deeper Chain Wallet, please navigate to AtomOS by going to 34.34.34.34 in your browser. Enter your username and password, and then navigate to Wallet, Wallet Manager, and then under that you will see Wallet Address. Copy and paste that into Deeper Chain Wallet address. For the device SN number, go back to AtomOS, down to Devices, and click System. Copy and paste your SN number and put it into Device SN number. If you have a request description, please enter that here, and any additional attachments can be added just below. Once you're finished, click Submit.